Welcome to the last lecture of classification module, and in this lecture we are discussing about random forest classifier. We have also seen random forest doing the regression task, and I have told you that we can do classification as well. So in this lecture we'll be doing the classification task using random forest classifier. This classifier is an ensemble of decision tree. Okay, so first of all I am loading the basic libraries pandas, numpy and matplotlib. Then the data I am using is just the same as I have done in case of decision tree classifier. Okay, so we have a study data where we have two parameters, repetition and study time, and we are classifying that to which knowledge level these parameters belong to. The data info is we have around 258 entries with us, and we have two labels. Data is balanced, and we are splitting our data to input and output. Okay, then since the output is a categorical data, we have to convert it to a numerical form, and for doing so we are using getDummies method, right? So now we are splitting our data to training and testing parts. Okay, so if cross validation is not working in your case, then you can use model selection also. Okay, so we have split our data into four components, that is xtrain, ytrain, xtest, ytest, and now we have to scale our data so as to be ensure that we have a similar data distribution for each parameter. Now we have to train our model, and we are using a random forest classifier, so we'll be using the random forest classifier, and for that I'll be importing random forest classifier from the ensemble module. So from sklearn.ensemble I'll be importing random forest classifier, right? And now let's initialize this random forest classifier. So random forest classifier. Now we'll mention the number of estimators we have, that is number of ensembles I want in my model. So and estimators, let it be 1000 decision trees. Now the criteria I want to evaluate, so criterion equals to entropy. Okay, and the state, let it be, that is not important to set, but just let it be 0 equals to 0. Okay, and now random dot fit will fit our data, that is xtrain and ytrain. Okay, so the model is trained now. Now we'll predict the xtest values. Okay, it's RF. Okay, now we'll find out the confusion metric, so it's again giving 100% result, right? And now we'll visualize our parameter, the hypothesis we are using. So here we go. That's the final prediction that random forest has made. Okay, this is the hypothesis it's building up. You can see it has very well differentiated all the red points and all the green points, right? That's why it's 100%. It's accurately finding out the hypothesis and separating the data points of each class, right? So this is how we use a classification models. We have used different classification models over different data sets, and we have seen their performance and how we can use them, right? So this was all for the random forest classification. I hope you would have got something interesting out of these codes. So best of luck, keep following, and we'll meet in the next coming lectures. Thank you.